What's up, YouTube? This is our trip to Thailand, the land of smiles, on a sunny day. We're here in the Happy Garden and Homestay, and it's called the Happy Garden Homestay. Happy Gardens as well. So that's Mo. He'll be joined. He's on our right. The street pop in front. Sorry, the fat pop in front of me. We're staying in this Bikers Pro hotel, owned by a guy called Ricky, and he owns a couple of Harleys and a few other bikes as well. This is located in Betong, just after the border of Malaysia, just off Alostar or Perak, not too sure which. So Mo, what's our plan for today?
We're going to the temporary airfield, which I think they probably think that to the last unrest or war. So it's a tourist attraction. Seems like a pretty cool place. We'll see how it looks.
Okay. So we're heading out from the Happy Gardens and Homestay. We decided not to take these scooters, but our own bikes because they're familiar, and I'm so used to riding with a clutch that the last thing I need to do is slam on my brakes. So we're just leaving the hotel right now. Excellent gong they have here to welcome the guests and so forth. It's going to be a 12-kilometer ride, and I think it's going to be a fun day. Right, we just did a couple of photo shots and some drone shots here. This is the old abandoned airport, and we're heading our way now to Gunung Silipat. Mo's leading the way on his handy GPS. That's him waving. One of the things we found out about Thailand is that the police really hate drones, and we were right at the police station here. And luckily enough, we didn't get busted, so we're cool. And that is the good thing about having mid controls. With my forward controls, I just have to live with having to navigate this gravel. We're off to Gunung Silipat, and we should be able to take some awesome shots there. What's up, YouTube? We're now going up the hill towards the lookout point here in Betong. Mo, of course, is leading us on his trusty GPS. Thank God for the GPS. It's going to be a bit tough for us to be talking because, as you can see from the angles that we're taking up this road and how tight the corners are, that's going to be hard for us to communicate. And suddenly Mo is quiet.
Oh, check out the uphill.
Okay, this is spectacular, but I think it's going to be... Wow, that's interesting. But I think this place is really prone to landslides.
Oh yeah, let's look at the hill on the left.
Yeah, I mean, this reminds me again of Cameron Islands. Oh, watch out the gravel, bro. I think we watch out for the gravel.
Yep.
lookout point. Sounds like a lover's lane kind of thing.
Yeah.
So obviously we have to go uphill.
Brilliant.
But this is nice, man. I think what makes it nicer is there's no traffic. Okay, tight right turn.
Oh, look at that. Careful, huh?
Yep.
Oh, beautiful.
Wow. But that's a nice tight uphill.
Chuck, 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 chuck.
Logging the engine. When I love the sound of the exhaust as we climb. Remus is a good stop.
We're 4 minutes away. We're very close. This is probably it. With all the different lookout points. Oh, look at that.
This is nice, man.
Yeah, I think this is it.
This is it, right?
Yeah,
where can we park?
Over here. Remember to leave your bike in here.